Hi guys, welcome to Tech Ninja. Today I'm going to show you how to know if you have a knowledge panel. Either you are an artist or you belong to any professional category, there is tendency you can have a Google knowledge panel and you don't know. So in case you have searched online for your Google knowledge panel and you haven't gotten one or you can't find it, I want to show you a simple method on how to easily get if you have a Google knowledge panel. So I am going to open my browser. For this tutorial I'm using Chrome. So you go to Chrome and go to Google by going to google.com, and here you are. You can search your name, artist name especially. Maybe you've released some songs or just anyone. So I'm searching for a guy, iGrade. You can see what I'm getting based on the SEO and Google search page results. It is showing a different content. What I'm looking for is a musical artist, but I can't get the Google knowledge panel directly like that. So I'm using a method searching iGrade musical artist. So it is showing me a particular Google knowledge panel on the right hand. You can see that. You can see the details. The details shown here is the details of the person I want, but it is showing a different Google knowledge panel for this particular person. So what do I need to do? Since this is not the person I'm looking for, I'm going to use another method. I'll delete that and add all by iGrade. Now it is showing me a knowledge panel on the right hand, which is showing all song by iGrade. So you can see it is showing the details of that particular person right now. So I'll click on the Google knowledge panel, and right now I have a page that is showing the artist knowledge panel directly and the song under. Yeah, from this page you can see that is iGrade, and now I can claim his Google knowledge panel by clicking on claim, and then I copy the link that is associated with his knowledge panel. Thank you.